Yeah, I'm here in the forested area of Malang, North Cotabato. So we are attending a village burial, no? You can check, no, that area where there are a lot of vehicles. Burial is being done just beside the residence, so that would mean lack of private cemeteries here in Malang. So I'm here right now, no? I'm taking a break, cooling myself beneath rubber trees. These are rubber trees, no? Check, they're collecting ano to, saps of rubber. They're getting, they're, what do you call this, removing the bark of the tree in order to collect rubber saps. Go here, no? They can go to these other rubber trees. Ayan, no? So they are removing the bark of the trees, then collecting. I think they're collecting this on a regular basis, probably daily basis. So you have a lot of rubber trees. So we're just here, very near the burial area of a relative of Maya. This one, no? That's the system. They're collecting rubber saps. Ito yung ginagamit natin na sa gulong natin. And you can check the other mga rubber trees here. Kinokolekta. Color white pala, no? Yung rubber saps. Here also. Now I'm just cooling myself here under cover of rubber trees. So Malang is a central province here in central Mindanao, landlocked, no sea access. It's one of the very progressive. If Isabela has its reputation as rice granary of Luzon, Malang is also known for that, no? You have wide plains, fertile lands, irrigated lands. This one also medyo malaki-laki na rubber tree. Tingnan natin yung nakolekta here. Ayan, no? Close up. Puti pala siya, no? Paano ba siya kung natin? Matigas, oh. Matigas. Ito, this area. Wala namang ahas siguro dito. I'm just exploring, no, yung peripheral area ng burial. You know, this area is burial. Maingay lang doon. Dito tayo. Tingnan nga natin. Naku. Ito, one pala siya. You know, the rubber sap. Hindi naman siguro poisonous to. Punas lang ganyan sa kamay. Let's go other area here. Laki-laki din to, no? I think more than 1 hectare. Okay. Yan. So balik tayo here. Yan. So straight din to. Rubber. So noon pala tong Malang talaga for production of rubber. Ito yung ginagamit sa atin, of course, rubber. Maraming use to. But yung sap medyo ano to, medyo hindi ganun ka, wala naman siyang smell, no? Okay. As we mentioned, no, yung system pala is ito. Parang they're cutting portion of the bark. Tapos ayan, tumutulo yung rubber sap. And later for industrial production. yung area, no? Dito tayo sa just periphery of yung burial grounds.